Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the login issues on your Onlyfans account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in onlyfans.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Onlyfans website. Now, directly on the homepage, you will see the login section. Now, if you directly end up within the homepage, then this also means that your internet connection is working just fine. So whatever login issue you will face will definitely not be because of a weak internet connection. Now, if you have linked your Twitter or your Google account with your Onlyfans, then you can click on the respective buttons to log in through a shortcut, or you can just enter your email address followed by your password. Type in both of these credentials and click on the login button, and you should be signed in to your Onlyfans account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button in order to reset your credentials by setting up a new one. Now, if you are unable to log in by using your credentials, then you can also try the passwordless sign-in option, where you might be asked to enter your biometric in order to proceed forward with your account verification. Now, if none of these methods work, then you will need to contact the support team. Scroll all the way down from the homepage and then click on Contact at the left side. This will now take you into the contact page. Just type in your name followed by your email address, and then within the subject section, you can choose any category that closely resembles your issue. Then within the subject box, just briefly explain the nature of your issue, and then you can type it out in detail within your message main body. After filling out this entire form, you can click on the send button, and once your email has been sent, the support team will contact you in a few days with the instructions that you can follow in order to regain access into your account. And there you have it. That is how you can fix login issues on your Onlyfans account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.